Good afternoon, Rushmere, and welcome to your challenge of the day from Mr Neary. Now today I am the other way round, so it means that you may have to jiggle your camera or your screen a little bit, but don't panic. If you can do that, that would be great, or just click the enlarge. It should sort itself out. Now the reason why I'm the other way around is because we need a slightly longer area to use today, so we can do this indoors, but preferably doing it outdoors would be fantastic. Now, the rules of our challenge today are easy and simple, but before we get to the rules, we're going to talk about the equipment. You will need your resource ball or a tennis ball, dog ball, any ball that you may have, and you will need 3 markers. Now, I'm very fortunate that I've got cones. You can use something as simple as shoes for this, or mugs or tins, and we're going to put our target zone markers in line with each other, and they're going to be about 2 foot apart, just like these 2 white ones here. We're then going to have our starting marker, which is on this marker over here, okay, and you can set your distance. Now for me, I've put it about 10 foot away, whereas you might want to put it, 15 foot away, 5 foot away, entirely up to you. So we've got our target zone and we've got our starter zone. Now our objective is going to be to see how many times we can roll the ball from our starting zone and then try and stop it in between our target zone. So we're going to try and stop the ball in this area here. If the ball is stopped before the target, it does not count. And of course, if the ball rolls too far and goes beyond our target, or we stop it over here, that also won't count. You've got to stop it with your foot in the right area. And again, it must be between target 1, target 2. All right? So here's a little demonstration of what it should look like. So I'm going to start behind my my starter marker. I'm going to roll the ball very gently, and I've got to chase the ball, and I've got to stop it when it lands in between the 2 target markers. That would be 1 point. I'll then pick it up. I'll bring it back. Okay, starter marker, I'm going to roll the ball, chase it, and then try and stop it between the markers. So I'm still in between them, okay, and therefore that equals a point. If I do it incorrectly, if I roll the ball and it doesn't actually make the markers, then it means, of course, I can't do it right. So I've got to put the right weight on the ball and power on the ball to be able to catch up with the ball and stop the ball. So your challenge is to see how many times you can do that in a row. There's no time limit at all. I want you to roll it, try and stop it in there with your feet. You can't stop it with your hands, and see how many you can do in a row. When you make a mistake, you go back to 0. And try and spend around 10 minutes on doing this to see just how many times you can do it in a row without making a mistake. So enjoy the challenge, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Take care.